Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about hooks on the back of tractor 3-points. So as you can see over here, Fendt tractors come with the Walterscheid hook ends, they're called. But basically we can get those hook ends for any size of tractor. We've put them in the past on some GC 2310s, GC 2400s, 1715s. We actually have a little jig all set up that we can cut the ball ends off and put those other ones on for you. We can get sizes for category 1, category 2, category 3. Basically what you do is you order them and then you take your 3-point arms to a local welding shop, have them cut the ball end off, put the hook end on. You just have to make sure that you get the angles right, and we can kind of help you with that. And then you're good to go. You don't have to struggle with closed ball ends or fixed ball ends. The hooks work wonderful. So if you're thinking about that, just give the guys at the parts department a shout. They've ordered them in the past. It usually takes a few weeks to get, but give us a shout and we can probably help you out. Thanks for watching.